Welcome back. Well, temperatures in the lower 90s today, 92 the official high. We should get close to that tomorrow. In fact, a few degrees hotter as we round out the week and head into the weekend as rain chances going down to 0. Still the chance of an isolated shower early this evening and a few again tomorrow, maybe 1 or 2 Thursday. After that, rain chances 0 or very close to it as we head into the weekend. So let's take a look at the big picture. We have active weather off to our north and east. The remnants of that tropical moisture associated with potential tropical cyclone number 8 that never became a tropical cyclone, and some active storms where the chillier air is meeting up with the warm air coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. Locally, it's just been a sun and cloud mix once again today. Widely scattered showers, few thunder showers across the region. Heaviest activity pretty much on the other side of the basin as we get over toward Baton Rouge and the I-10 corridor. Few isolated showers there, 1 or 2 as we head into the Atchafalaya Basin, and then as we head farther inland, we're seeing an isolated shower to Lafayette into Acadia Parish. We got a little water near Mowata. Just that shower not moving a whole lot, so we'll keep everybody apprised here in Acadia Parish. And then we get into Lafayette Parish, south side of town, moving into the Broussard area. Here's Albertsons Parkway. Here's the Ambassador Extension, Bonan Road, and you see a nice little shower here. And right here is LA 339. So again, pretty close to the south side of town, and just a nice little shower for just a few folks late this afternoon as we get up toward Vero School Road as well. So overall, the picture as we take a look at the tropics, it's quiet in the Gulf, quiet as we head into the Caribbean as well. This is the area we're going to keep an eye on. We do expect what we call the Central American Gyre, or CAG for short, C-A-G. We expect this to get more active, and that means showers and thunderstorms getting a little bit more concentrated here in the Western Caribbean, maybe the Southern Gulf, and certainly the Pacific as well. So that's the area to watch. Again, you can see some of the remnant moisture with that tropical system captured by an upper low. Nothing going on there. We have a tropical wave coming off the African coast in the next few days, and the remnants of Gordon now below a depression status, but it could get its act back together. 40% chance of development, but that one's going to stay out in the open Atlantic. So that's the good news. Let's fast forward now. The National Hurricane Center is not indicating an area of that we need to watch yet, but the Climate Prediction Center is indicating that potentially there could be a system out in the Atlantic, but of interest closer to home, a likely area of development between September 25th and October 1st, and we're thinking about the 27th, 28th. Something could get going here, and we'll show you the latest model runs, and this would come out of the Central American Gyre, so hard to forecast where something's going to go. So the model's kind of useless, but we see what it's doing with the tropical moisture. And here on the Euro, we do get an area of low pressure developing by the Yucatan. And then as we move it to 10 days, which I shouldn't do, notice some of that moisture gets drawn up to the north and east. And here's the latest GFS model run through the same time period. It gets us through the next 7 to 8 days. And the GFS going for a tropical system, eastern Gulf of Mexico impacts. But again, this is going to change more than likely. So we'll just see how it plays out. No worries for here in Acadiana for now. Just continue to plan your plans, whether you have a trip out to the Florida Panhandle or anywhere in Florida for that matter. Too early in the game for us to really guess on what's going to happen. For tomorrow, though, a few widely scattered showers, maybe a thunder shower like today. Rain chance no higher than 20 to 30%. We get into Thursday, fewer showers, and that trend will continue into the weekend. And for tonight, a little partial lunar eclipse. It's not going to look like much. It starts at 7 when we're in the Earth's penumbra. But once we get the Earth's umbra over, or the Earth's shadow over just a corner of the moon, that's going to be at 9:44 this evening. So you'll see part of the moon disappear, and the moon won't be quite so bright. And then after 11:47, it's a super harvest moon out there, so it'll be nice and bright. So we look forward to that, provided the skies are fair. Never a promise there. 74 the overnight low tonight with that full harvest super moon out there. And then for tomorrow, a partly cloudy, quite warm once again, lower 90s. Your rain chance in the 20% range. Light and variable winds tomorrow, nearly calm winds tonight, and temperatures on the way up, pushing the mid-90s Friday, Saturday. That fall equinox gets here on Sunday, and thereafter maybe feeling a little bit better toward the end of next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.